Okay guys, so we did until this one. Okay, we did some practice on HTML and CSS things. Okay, by the according to this one. So we did submit till submit button, and now we are doing putting it all together. Then when we'll put it all together, then this will be like this. Okay, so in form we'll put action button. Okay, action is what is action? Submit form. Okay, so method is post. Okay, so label for name label, input type text, id, name. Okay, so label is for email type is email, then I'll put name, email, and id also email. Okay, so another thing is password. For password we'll put type password, and for the message id will be message. Okay, and id will be message, and what the next thing is name is message, and row and column will be set. Okay, so the next thing is if we want to we wants to choose in two things or three things, then we have a radio button. So we will use the radio button also. By the paragraph gender, and another thing is input radio, id is, will be male, and name equals to gender, value equals to male. Okay, so the same thing, name will put gender, just because of we wants to show this one that it's the same name, under the same name, and we have to choose between these two. Okay, so id will be male and female, value will be male and female, and label will be male and female, and after that we can put the radio button use. Okay, and another thing is we can use checkbox also. Okay, so what is the checkbox? You can see here. You can put the exactly like the radio button. Just you have to change the type. Type will be checkbox, and ID will be like coding. Okay, value should be putting the these both will should be same most of the time, and okay, name equals to interest, same. Okay, and button submit, and you'll find the same thing what we did in the here. Okay, so here we used everything. Why I'm saying this one? Okay, just see this one. Yeah, you use head, you use body. In body we use headings, we used paragraph. Okay, we used link, how we can make link. After that we used image. Okay, after that we used unordered list. After that we used ordered list. After that we used form action, form, and how we make form. Okay, form, in form you have to put action, and action you should be like submit form or like that, and method should be like okay, it's like post. Okay, so after that you have to put a label and input. Okay, next is like button. Okay, so these all things will be the next. Okay, button is like submit. Okay, form action, submit form, again message, we use message also. And we use text area. Yeah, in text area we can use the message. Yeah, and we can use the form. Okay, we used radio button, we used checkbox. Can you see there, checkbox? And we use all the things. And now I'm going to show you like what we have left. Okay, html, paragraphs, links, image, list, forms, css basic, id selector, class, properties and values. Yeah, color, font size, margin, background color, text align. Okay, font size, line height, margin. Okay, positioning, and layout, flex box and grid already we did it. Yeah, so yeah, forms, html. Yeah, action, method. Okay, attribute, specify URL from where the data from should be sent. Form, Okay, so can you see here now? We did password, we did text area, we did radio button, we did checkbox, we did submit button, and putting all together we already did this. And now let's see. Okay, build simple projects. Okay. Personal portfolio. Okay, practical on practice on coding. Yeah, join online communities. Now we don't have time. Use challenge and exercises. Yeah, read and explore, experiment and build, and seek feedback. Okay. So we did whatever ChatGPT suggested to us, and now we are going to JS, JavaScript. So teach me JavaScript. This is how ChatGPT is helping me. Yes, so absolutely. JavaScript is versatile and powerful programming language commonly used in web development and creating interactive and dynamic web pages. Here are the basics to get you started. Okay. So what are we going to do is we are going to do we are going to learn JavaScript now. And in introduction it's showing like JavaScript can be added to HTML document in three main ways. Okay, first of all we have to add JavaScript in HTML. So because of we are doing now we are performing some task through JavaScript on HTML files. Yeah. So for perform any task, we have to uh, add our JavaScript for from some way. So there is three ways by which we can add JavaScript on our HTML files. Okay. So the one thing is inline, the second thing is internal, and third thing is external. Okay. So okay, so first method is inline JavaScript. You can place JavaScript directly in HTML elements using the on-click attribute, for example. Okay, so if I'll directly use on-click in the HTML file directly, then this kind of method is inline JavaScript. Okay, so can you see here? Button, on click is alert and hello world, and click me button. Okay, so let me copy this one and let me use directly in the JavaScript HTML. Okay, can you see head? And I'll use in body actually, not heading. Okay, when I'll press this one, when I'll save, and I don't find anything. I found it. I found it. Click me. When I clicked it, you can see there is a message. Uh, this is showing hello world. Yeah, and we did the same. Yeah, hello button. On click is alert, and alert is showing through a pop-up from upside, and this will be like alert hello world. Click me, and click me is showing the on button text, and after that this is when I'll click, pop-up already came. So the next thing is okay, this is the inline process. Okay, okay, the internal JavaScript is like you can include JavaScript code within the script. Okay, tag in the HTML documents head or body section. Okay, head or body section we can add directly. Okay, how we can do this one? Okay, this is the example doc time HTML head. In head JavaScript example, and you can see here script. Okay, JavaScript code within the script tag in the HTML document. Okay, so this is the script tag, and script tag is only used for JavaScript in the HTML file. Okay, when we'll go to HTML file and we'll directly write the script, and when we use script, then we have to put function show message, and in function show message we'll see what am I doing is I'm trying to use external JavaScript type, and what I did is script.js. I put a script.js here, and this new file, okay, let me change the function. Okay, I put it function show message alert hello. Okay, JavaScript file I put it here directly, and after that I in the HTML file I used script thing, and script source is script.js. I imported this one here, and here what I used is button, and button is like this. And what I did is on click show message, whatever here it's showing, we have to use in the button. Okay, so when I use this one, and let me see here. Oh, hello guys. So this is how it works as an external file. Okay, so now let's go to the next topic, basic JavaScript concept. Okay, so what is the basic JavaScript concept? Let me see. Variables are used to store data. You can declare variable using var, let, and constant. Okay, so what is the var? Let is like name, constant is okay for constant, and var variable is like true or false. Okay, it's like that. Yeah. So boolean is true false. Okay, number is numeric value, string is text value enclosed in quotes, array is an ordered collection of values. Okay, and object is a collection of key value pairs. Okay, so data types is like this, and but we have three types of variables. Okay, what is one is var. uh, okay, for store the data, variables are used to store data. You can declare variables using var, let, and constant. Okay, so data types are like this: string, number, boolean, array, object. Array is an ordered collection of values. Boolean is true or false. Number is numeric values. String is equals to text values enclosed in quotes. Okay, text values enclosed in quotes. Okay, object a collection of key value pairs. Okay. So in JavaScript there is a let. With the let we can use name, age, true false. Okay, we can use everything with the let. So this is the beautiful thing I can see here. Not if I don't want to use anything else, I can use only let. So in let we can use name, number, boolean, color, person. So this is how we can use all the data types like string, number, boolean, array, and object in the let only. So JavaScript includes 7 types of operator for performing operations on values. Okay, so there are 7 type of operators. Okay, what is the first type of operator is arithmetic operators, second is comparison operator, and third is logical operators. Okay, so what is the arithmetic operators? You know, plus, minus, multiply, divide, and percentage. This is the arithmetic operators. The second thing is comparison operator. So what is the comparison operator? We already used in different languages. So in all languages there is some comparison operator by which we can compare the two values. Okay, so like if something is equal, then we will use double equal, and if something is like properly, like there in the JavaScript there is two things: double equal and triple equal. Okay, so when we will use the double equal and when we will use the triple equal is really important thing, because this is a thing where most of the people get confused. Yeah, and not equals to is like that. Okay, not equals to is like that, and not double equals to is like that, and greater than Okay, greater than is like that, less than is like that, greater than equal to is like that, less than equal to is like that. Logical operator is and or not. Okay, or and or not. Okay, it's like that. So why we, how we use and, how we use or, and how we use not is really important, because when we will use and means both values work. Like if a and b both are true, then okay. If a true and b is false, then both are false. Okay, so both should be true and both should be false, then it will show the correct reason. Otherwise, whatever the situation, it will be show like it should be um, like both true, otherwise all will be false. Yeah, and the next thing is and or is like if one true one false, then it will show true. If one true one false one true, then it will show true. If one both false, then it will show like false only. So the another thing is not is like if something is not this will be we will work on this one. Okay, so how it works exactly, like okay, so let x equals to 10, let y equals to 5, sum equals to x plus 5. Obviously it should be 15, is equals to is like this, x is equals to y. It should be false. It should be false because of x is not equals to y. Yeah, and is greater, x is greater than, yeah, it should be true. Okay, so when we will use this logical operator in our real practical HTML and JavaScript file, then it will be shown there, like what will be the result, it will shown there. But now let me see the function. Okay, so functions are reusable blocks of code that performs a specific task. Okay, so in function, okay, greet name, hello, return is hello name, and like this apostrophe. So there is function greet. Okay, and greet is, I can change this one. Yeah, this is the thing I can change, but we'll see how. Okay, so let message equals to greet allies. Yeah, and because it's name. Yeah, and console.log message. Yeah, console.log message, it will see in the console thing. Yeah, in the answer that if name will be like this, then directly it will show what, hello name. Yeah, so the another thing is conditionals. So can you see here, this is okay, this is age equals to okay, let age equals to 18, and if age is greater than equals to 18, then console.log is you are an adult, and console.log you are not minor. Else console.log is you are a minor. Okay, so loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times. Okay, this is the loops. Okay, and we'll work on loop. There is two type of loop, for loop and while loop. uh, and there is events. JavaScript can respond to user actions such as clicks, key presses, and mouse movements. Event in listeners are used to handle these events. Okay, JavaScript can respond to user actions such as click, key processes, presses, and mouse movements. Events listeners are used to handle these events. Okay. Okay, clicks, key presses, mouse movements, event listeners are used to handle these events. Okay, so we'll see how event listeners are used to. So what we did is we were just reading about the events. Okay, so event file is like this: event example, script, change text. Okay, get elementary by I element by id text, inner html text has changed, dot inner html. Okay, this is the function we will use and how this is used I will see. Yeah, next step, practice by write small programs to solidify your understandings. Projects start with simple projects like to-do list or calculator. Resources utilize online resources such as Mozilla Development Network, W3 School, JavaScript, and core frameworks. Once you are comfortable with JavaScript, explore libraries and frameworks like jQuery, React, or okay. So the next thing is React. So first of all, let's practice the JavaScript first of all on HTML and CSS files, and when we'll practice properly about JavaScript, maybe today we'll practice a lot, and after that maybe tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow we'll try the next thing, you know, React.js. So for now, this is enough, and let's do practice together, but not on this video. We'll see in the direct JavaScript basis project. Okay, thank you guys.